So, our story for today is Daddy is a cozy hug. Daddy is a fish with fins when summer heats the air. We splish and splash in crashing waves, a wiggling, wriggling pair. Daddy is a tap tap hammer, building things with me. We work tap tap and make a house for birdies in our tree. Daddy is my pillow where I rest my sleepy head. When camping far beneath the stars, he's better than a bed. Daddy is a sneaky fox when playing hide and seek. He makes himself so hard to find, I sometimes have to peek. Daddy is a handy horse for cowpokes on the go. He bucks and snores, then giddy-ups until I tell him whoa. Daddy is a pile of leaves when fall comes rolling round. 1, 2, 3, I run and jump. We make a crunchy sound. Daddy is a choo-choo train that clickety-clacks along. With me as engineer up front, we sing a chugging song. Choo-choo, Daddy says chuga 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 chuga, and the dog is making his noise. Daddy is my blanket when cold winds begin to blow. Bundled round me soft and snug, he warms me from the snow. Daddy is my valentine with sticky gummy glue, sprinkled with a little message, I love you. Daddy is the rushing wind that makes my kite take wing and dip and dive as if alive, a dancing on a string. Daddy's my umbrella that hides me from drip drops. He keeps me dry from cloudy skies until the spring rain stops. Daddy is a cozy hug when tucking me in tight. He kisses me on cheek and nose, then whispers nighty night. Daddy is so many things to me the whole year through. I'm glad I have my daddy. Daddy, I love you.